Right, session 4, 5, I think. Oh, bloody hell, get everything turned off again. So I've been running just in sport mode and on with the firm dampers, but the ESC fully off. That's what I've been doing all day, and it's enough to just get the car moving. This corner is incredible. So much fun going through this one.
Cool.
You feel the back going?
Oh mate, that's nice.
The back enough to kind of, you know, in the Fiesta it would just understeer a bit. You'd have to be a bit more patient.
Well, at least the brakes work.
And I could just get on the power all the way around here, full throttle. Actually, I could probably go in a bit faster, but I don't have the balls. This is flat though. But that's a lot more of a corner than it ever was in the Fiesta, and this bit I hate.
It's making my arsehole twitch, that's for sure. Mate, this thing's brutal, bro.
There you go. And it just does that all the time.
Yeah, you're getting that back well out.
Sorry, say again?
You're getting the back out nicely.
Yeah, no, it just doesn't need much effort though. See, I could brake, you know, if I was going for a lap time, it's got way more lap time in it, but I'm not. It's just, you know, enjoying it. See, I'm going in too slow there, really.
Fucking hell. More punchy than your ST, dude.
It is, isn't it?
Fucking hell. Dude, I think I'm gonna regret lunch on this.
Really?
rough for you. You got something to hold on to. I'm like, G-forces in this car are mega, dude.
You think so, yeah? Because see, I'm not feeling it. Sat here,
Mate.
I remember what it was like when I went out as a passenger in one. Okay, we're not. That's it, finally. Don't make me go offline here, my friend. I remember when I went out in one, I just thought, oh my goodness, how is it giving this much grip from road tyres?
I have no idea.
But it's you see, I'm not really feeling it as a driver.
Fucking hell.
Oh, it unloads a bit there, doesn't it?
You think?
How does it do that?
Dude, it's the brakes that get me going every time.
Brace with your feet, mate. Brace with your feet on the floor.
I'm trying. My legs are only so strong.
Sideways at 90.
Jesus Christ. No, that was about 110.
Oof. Now that's a proper corner now. It never was in the Fiesta. It's an M135. Oh, that's incredible.
This car is amazing.
It's braking hard enough to get the brake lights flashing.
Trying to go from 130 down to like, 60.
Yeah. I don't have to give it a lift though. You just turn enough and it does that.
What Brembo have done for the brakes on this
I
car
know,
are
they're really good,
phenomenal.
aren't they? Oh, come on, surely. Yes, thank you.
Yeah, this is an exciting place to sit.
And that's just me turning. I'm not, trying to do that. It just has this kind of natural oversteer balance. I'm not finding any understeer at all.
Dude, all I know is I've never been thrown about more in a car in my life
Yeah?
before.
Oh, good. I'm glad. Ooh,
That was squeaky.
it weaves,
That was
doesn't
cool.
it? Oh, and there's the checkered flag. Phew.
I shot myself.
Ah.
There were little bits of poo coming out there, buddy.
So what do you think from the passenger? Yeah, I mean, you've sat in my Clio,
I've
the
sat-
blue Clio.
yeah.
Did you sit in the black one?
I sat in the black one, the blue one.
And my Fiesta,
Yeah.
around here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, comparisons.
No, this is unlike anything you've had before, mate.
To me, this grips. When I was a passenger in one, I felt more lateral G than I've ever felt in a car short of one wearing slicks, even track tyres,
This is
on the
ridiculous.
road tyres. And I thought, how does it do that? But where I'm sat right now, I'm not feeling that at all, because
This-
you never do when you're driving, do
Dude,
you?
this car's ridiculous. I was never thrown about like this in anything you've had before. And even in that Fiesta, when you were sitting there pushing that thing hard.
Oh yeah, and I had good brakes and tyres on it.
No, dude. This thing is on a whole different level. A good level,
Yeah,
but maybe not one you always want to be in as a passenger.
yeah, yeah, I guess.
I sit there holding on for dear life. I've never had to use this on my...
I can't wait to watch it back.
Even on that Nissan GTR, I didn't use that.
No?
This is about as planted as that car felt.
Well, I had a C63 behind me.
Oh, you pissed all over that.
Well, I did. Yeah, he didn't come past, did he?
No. I mean, it didn't feel like you were losing control. It just felt quick.
It moves, doesn't it?
Man.
That's that C63.
Yeah,
That means I'd almost lapped him.
yeah, almost. And that's not a slow car.
No.